In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a one-time card on Sezzle. If you're new to Sezzle or just looking to make your shopping experience a bit more flexible, this feature is a great way to manage your spending while enjoying the perks of paying over time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Sezzle app on your device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate over to the virtual card or simply the card section. This is where all the magic of creating a one-time card happens. Now, you'll need to enter the total amount you plan to spend. This is an important step because it sets the limit on your one-time card, ensuring you stay within your budget. Once you have the amount in, confirm it. What happens next is Sezzle will generate a virtual card just for you. This card comes equipped with all the necessary payment details, including a card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like a regular credit or debit card. The beauty of this virtual card is its versatility. You can use it for online shopping, or if you prefer to shop in store, you can add it to your digital wallet. This flexibility makes it easy to use wherever and however you prefer to shop. When you're ready to make a purchase, proceed to check out and choose credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter all the Sezzle virtual card details when prompted, ensuring you input the card number, expiration date, and CVV correctly. Once you've entered all the necessary details, complete your purchase as usual. The outstanding feature of using Sezzle is that your payment will be automatically split into 4 interest-free installments. This makes managing your finances a breeze while still allowing you to get what you need right away. And that's it. That's how to set up a one-time card on Sezzle. It's a simple yet effective way to shop smarter and manage your payments more efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your shopping experience with Sezzle even better. Happy shopping!